So here we go with a brief video, actually there'll be two of them, on how to format numbers. Normally in SQL, it doesn't care about formatting, and what I mean by that is if I take a query like this that brings out last name, first name, and scholarship out of the student table, if I run this query, then the scholarship numbers are just, they're, to me, they're hard to read. They don't have dollar sign, they don't have commas in them, and sometimes they show pennies that are not relevant. So what we can do is use a built-in function. It's a part of MySQL, and other databases like it have the same sort of function. And this allows you to do some basic formatting. So let's come to Scholarship and see what we can do with that. So first, I'm going to type in the name of the function, format, and then I want Scholarship, comma, and I want to do it to 2 decimal places. So let's beautify that thing, and the format will get translated to uppercase. I'm going to put that on the line. I just have a preference for that. Now let's run this, see what it looks like. So now the big change is it has commas at the thousands position. To me, that makes numbers much easier to read. Now, the important thing to understand is that that makes the output of this query easier to read, but really the idea in SQL is to get a basic formatting done. And then if you're going to take it out to a website or a report or something like that, then that tool would do the formatting. The report generator or the website would do the final formatting. This is just some basic formatting to look okay. Notice when I put the format function on Scholarship, it gave it a goofy title up here. So I would normally say as Scholarship, like so. And now I get it SCHOLAR. Yeah. Actually, what I should do is just paste that over like that. Okay. Now, another variation on this, I'm just going to copy this line over, comma, and paste it underneath. And I'm going to say, well, you know what? Nobody cares about pennies on scholarships because they aren't to the penny. They're always whole dollars. So let's format it here with 0 places to the right of the decimal. And I'll just name this one whole number. And since it's got a blank in the middle between the word whole and number, I have to put this in single quotes. Run like that. So now I've gotten rid of my pennies. That just makes it much easier to read. To me, the 0.00 on every one of these just clutters it up. What if you said, well, I want to put a dollar sign in front of it? Well, the way to do that adds yet another function, and that's concat, which allows you to code a dollar sign, comma, format number, just like we had before. And let's see what this looks like. Now I put a dollar sign in front of it. So how does this work? Well, the concat function concatenates or sticks together different character strings. One character string is the dollar sign here. The other one is the output of the format there. So when I combine the two of them, I'm really tacking the dollar sign on the front of the format number, and then I just format it out as whole number. So to me, this is not hard to do. It's very straightforward, and it's worth it to get some basic formatting.